traditional dress of Egypt called the jalabiya. There's another man on your right hand side. The jalabiya looks like a long nightgown that men either wear in light colors or in dark colors, whether to attract sun rays or to avoid sun rays. Women wear in bright and in flowery colors at home, but when they go out on the street they put on a black jalabiya on top of it, not to attract men's attention. You will also realize that those women cover their hair with a long black scarf, because the hair of a woman is considered a part of her beauty that ought not to be shown except to her husband at home. So all the men that you are seeing wearing jalabiyas, this is not any religious sect. All the women wearing black are not widows. This is only tradition and custom of the country, and you see it mainly in the countryside. There's one thing that you are going to realize when you go further south, is that although the south is 5 degrees hotter than the north, but in spite of that, the people living in the southern part of the country wear much darker and much heavier black, because the south is much more conservative than the northern part of the country. So you are going to see that the traditional dress of Egypt is mainly one of the major changes between the city and the countryside. The traditional dress, there is the Islamic dress. According to the Islamic dress looks very much like the modern dress, but it's in full length, long sleeves, and the hair is covered. And according to the Islamic religion, a woman ought to be all covered, and the only part that ought to be exposed from her is the face and the hands. So this is more a religious or a more conservative, let's not use religious, type of dress. You would see women covering their face. Covering the face, this is not religious and this is not tradition. This is what I would consider ignorance. This is more of a tribal tradition, and it had emerged from the tribal societies. And why do the tribes cover their faces? And the tribes, by the way, men and women cover their faces. This is because in the desert, when there are sandstorms, it's normal to protect your face, to cover it. And that's why men and women in the desert do cover their faces. And that's why the women who do cover their faces in Egypt are mixing tradition and mixing religion. But covering the face has nothing to do with the religion. Yeah, sometimes